So being a professional cricketer means a lot of travel, and me being a part of it, I have to take a lot of things along with me, and it gets really difficult for me to actually take care of all the things and keep them organized. So while I was searching online for a good quality toiletry bag, I came across this travel accessory website which is Destinio.in, and I ordered this amazing toiletry bag specific for men. Well, allow me to tell you about this amazing bag. The bag looks great. The quality, of course. Well, the branded zippers are pretty great. The bag looks pretty spacious to me.
ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबूजी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी, ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबूजी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी, ओ बेटा जी।
Wait. I have shared the website details in my description, and you can also get it online from the website Destinio.in. There are a lot of ongoing discounts on their website. Go check them out, and also the other products.